Alright, just picked up a 2005 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and it is a 4.0 inline 6 with an automatic transmission, obviously 4-wheel drive. And I got it for a relatively good price. I picked it up from a local dealer. Around here, these Jeeps hold their resale value extremely well. So, but I think I did alright on it. It's pretty much bone stock. It's got the OEM hardtop on it. I'll go ahead and look inside real quick. It's in good shape. Everything's clean. It does have 128,000 miles on it, which I would have preferred something around 100, but it's a pretty clean Jeep, so deal with it. Just a little bit of rust in some of the spots, and unfortunately there's just a little bit starting in the fenders, which I'm gonna have to take care of. I mean, just hardly any. The wheels and tires are going to be replaced quickly. Obviously the plastic needs reconditioned a little bit. They did their dealer undercoat spray on it, so, but even with all that new shiny black paint on there, you can see that the frame is in really good shape. Check that out. Pretty good. And there's really nothing to worry about with the frame on this one. I actually like the way a Jeep looks with 31-inch tires on the stock ride height. So that's what I'm going to be going with instead of ion wheels. So there will be some Jeep videos coming. There's actually going to be a bunch of Jeep videos coming. This is the worst spot on the whole thing, right here. So I will cut that out, use a little bit of filler, get that cleaned up, and then I'm planning on putting the rocker guards on anyway, so won't even hardly have to paint that with more than just some touch-up paint. Same thing on this side, just a couple little rust bubbles starting, so try to take care of that. Like I said, the tires actually are almost new, but they're going to be replaced. I put some Goodyear Duratrax on here. So it's pretty clean though for the year 2005, especially being an Ohio Jeep where it's exposed to road salt. So there's the one place that the dealer did not do any detailing, which is actually a good thing in my opinion, because I can see what's really going on under the hood. And the engine runs extremely well. Only thing is there's a little bit of rust in this little tray right here, so I'll either replace that tray or take it out and clean it up. And the valve cover gasket is just seeping. You probably really can't even see it, it's not even that bad, but it's seeping a little bit of oil. So maintenance appears to be good. Even on the Carfax I can see where the brakes have been serviced recently. The lines have been flushed, coolant's been flushed. I looked, the air filter looks brand new, so looks like it's been taken care of pretty well. So like I said, it fires right up, runs really good. Obviously the factory hardtop, it's got the rear wiper and a rear defrost. It does have AC, so everything works. The 4-wheel drive works and the emergency brake works. The only thing I noticed, the 4-wheel drive does work, but the light on the dash doesn't come on. So I'm not sure if that's a common issue with these, or if it's just the bulb, or maybe there's a switch on the transfer case that sends the information to the cluster that's bad. So I'll look into that. But like I said, everything is stock. Sounds nice and quiet for inline 6. Went and looked at a bunch of these Jeeps with the 4-liter. Some of them were ticking, knocking, everything. But so this one seems to run really good. Although I've never had one with this engine. I had a 2003 TJ that had a 4-cylinder, a little Chrysler 4-cylinder. And that was way underpowered. Even being a 5-speed was horrible. So this is a real big difference. I mean, if you're considering buying a TJ, don't even consider the 4-cylinder, in my opinion. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to be adding wheels, tires, bumpers. I'm going to be making it, putting on a flat tow setup so it can tow up behind the RV this spring. And all these projects I will document. So just wanted to do a little introduction video. Thanks.